Guys, if you're interested in history, I'm going to zoom in onto the description. These are again to smash trenches and dugouts. This is another gun. So this super gun is one part of the gun Saddam Hussein was planning to make. So apparently it had 52 parts. So this is quite amazing. So this is a Saker. 1800s, 1601. See, the guns, advent of guns and the gunpowder changed the history of the war, and it gave technological superiority to the West. And you know, where everyone was fighting on horses and animals, and when the guns came in, it changed the whole nature of the war, and the West became very technologically superior. So wow, look at this, the super gun. Codename Project Babylon. So this is part of that super gun which Saddam Hussein was planning to make. 1000 mm caliber super gun. Wow. Into orbit. So if you want to guys read about it, you can pause the video. I didn't know that. This is quite interesting. This is anti-aircraft gun Mk2 1943, obviously used in the World War II. This is the renowned 88 anti-aircraft gun, German, 1944. Guys, look at the size of that super gun. That is only like one of the parts of the super gun. How big that is. Imagine 52 of those parts. That would have been really a big gun. This is Heutzer, German, 1918, light field gun. Again, quite mad. This is a French gun, 1813, 6-pounder field gun. 2 rounds per minute. The other one was 4 to 5 rounds per minute. This gun was captured at the Battle of Waterloo during the Napoleonic Wars. It's quite amazing. Obviously French, you know, they were superpower, they were colonial power. This is the German gun, 1874, 2 rounds per minute. Super steel. And this is for French gun, 1895, 8 to 10 rounds per minute. This is a field gun as well. So guys, if you are really into guns and war history, this is amazing, amazing place. And then this is the history of Fort Nelson, why the Fort Nelson was built. So I'm going to stop the video here for a second, and I'll just have a read and I'll come back to you later.